My goal in any of my classrooms for my students is for them to be able to read domain-specific text and be able to take notes and better comprehend the text. All of the scaffolding strategies that I've used in my projects this semester I incorporated are steps to making a great literacy reader. As Monty Sano states, in practices, students read with pen in their hand and approach reading as a sense-making process. By requiring students to write questions and ideas and to highlight a text, annotations guide students to read closely and to reason with the text. This quote makes complete sense, especially when looking at history. History can be a difficult subject, and by adding literacy and content area text in the lessons, this can deepen understanding of the specific discipline.